Music Academy International Inc. and welcome to part 5 on our Clair de Lune by Debussy. Well, I hope you did check part 1, 2, 3 and 4, that they will be into the description. Check that one. Do check our playlist. We have many other tutorials besides this one. So we're having a lot of scales and technique and tips and what, I don't even know what I did in the last 6 months, over 150 videos. Alright, so today we're gonna start with measure number 43 to measure 51. This would be our part 5 on one of my favorite, close to the soul piece by Debussy. I hope you did practice, and please leave your comments, how you practice or what other tutorials would like me to do. And do like, share and subscribe if you like it, and help grow this channel for more and more people to come. So right now I'm gonna switch the camera on top here, and I'm just gonna go with this part 5. First we're gonna go with the rhythms, and then we're gonna do with some fingering or some things that I think that they are important for you to know what to do, eventually how to practice a little bit, and I will try to make it as short as possible and for you to really get it, but not as short to not get it. So please watch it all the way to the end, because I think it will help you. I hope so. Alright, so let's switch the camera now. Okay, so here we are, measure number 43, right? I'm gonna play it first and go very slow on it with the counting, right? So let's go with the counting first, then other tips and interpretation, right? Counting first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3, and pay attention here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 I will go very slow again, obviously. 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 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 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, and then we having tempo number 1 on measure 51. Alright, so the measure number 43 and 44, they're pretty simple-ish, simply-ish, right? Left hand, it will have very easy, just this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Right, with whatever fingers you are comfortable. I think I'm doing with the 3 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? What's happening on the right hand, you kind of, so the main top line this time, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it's going next. Da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 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 and then, right? So, it's not that easy to explain everything what's happening here. Anyhow, you gotta keep in mind that the main melody that needs to be really a little bit louder than other is, first of all, is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, and then da da da, no ta ta ti da da da. I'm talking measure 43, 44, 45, 46, right? And now we're having an inner voice here. I'm calling an inner voice because it's beautiful. Wam ba 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 bum, ti da di da dum, right? That goes on the right hand, and it's gotta be some kind of subdue of the top line. So, but needs to be heard very clearly. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, da 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 da. I'm highlighting the top. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But it's always in my mind and in my ear. I'm following the top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, 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 even though I'm playing it like in Bach, like kind of polyphonic, you know, we're having 3 voices here. Well, it's not like a fugue or anything, but we still have 3 layers in which the softer one is the left hand, the louder one, it's the top, and then in between, it's the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm stopping here for a second. I'm moving right now to measure number 45, 43, 45, okay, 45, okay. So here we're having the left hand. I'm moving to the left hand right now. We're paying attention, all right. So we're having this beautiful arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? That is actually only A flat and E flat. That kind of need to be practiced thoroughly, because again, it needs to be, you know, very soft flowing and very piano and nicely playing. Barely touching the keys. Right now, a moment that it's a little tiny bit hard to do it, and again needs to be worked out. It's measure number 45 and 46 when the hands are overlapping. So I'm gonna go very, very slow. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. That because it's pretty 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. Oh, I messed up. I'm moving on. I can go obviously even slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and couple of times. Let me know if it's explained good enough. Right? We're moving right now to measure number 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay? So what's happening, the beautiful inner voice that you had it before on the right hand, da, da, dee, da, da, is gonna come exactly the same thing on the left hand. Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. On the right hand, so this would be the secondary voice. On the top, we having first that needs to be highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 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 da. And then I'm gonna go to the next. So I'm just talking about these two measures. So pinky needs to be stay there, you know, on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Right? 1, 2. You see, I'm really pressing on this one. 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright? So right now with the left hand, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright? So I forgot to tell you on the left hand, pay attention, you do have a D flat that needs to be held there for longer time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. This easy part in which you're gonna hold the E flat on the right hand, and you have a beautiful line. I'm just gonna start first with a little bit on the right hand. 1 ta ta tam pa pa pam. So you have B flat and then C and then B flat and then A natural, and then you have D. So it's really very nice, the harmony here. I'm not even sure if the camera it's getting all these keys over here. I hope it does. Anyhow, on the left hand, it's really very easy at this moment in time, you know. But you gotta kind of, you know, you have this G flat that will stay there into the pedal for the entire time. The first measure, that would be measure number 49, you know, 1, 2. Right, so it's nothing there, but do give a little accent here, you know. Oh, okay, so what am I doing here? Hold on. It's beautiful harmony, right? So as we would come from here, 1. Right? It's absolutely needs to be played, you know. This one, as it's saying, it's a calmato, so it's calming after you did have part number 4. Now it's calming down, you see. And beautiful here. And then we're gonna go back. So after it's calming down, like these are like shimmering. Like shimmering in the water, the lights of the moon, you know. I don't know, I'm not gonna talk more than that. I'm gonna switch camera back, okay? So hold on a second. Hello back. How did you like it? It was short enough? Some people, they're complaining that it's too long, especially people that are editing my video. It's like, oh my God, it's so long, it's 25 minutes. It's like, yeah, but I need to say a couple of things and maybe I need to repeat them a couple of times. But I try to make it as clear as I could at this moment in time. I'm definitely gonna record the entire piece with a different microphone because this is not a good microphone. I need to put 2 or 3 around the piano so you can hear clearly the sound. I'll do more professional recording very soon. But anyhow, please leave your comments and do practice. Leave your comments how you practice if you like my explanations. So it's part 5. I'm gonna be very soon with part 6. That is tempo 1. The next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 measures. A lot of measures, so probably that one will be a little bit longer. Please like, share and subscribe and help me to grow this channel if you like it. Like, share and subscribe to grow the channel and beat up the algorithm to show them that you like them, because otherwise they don't promote me. I'll see you soon in the next one, part number 6. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.